National People's Party President Conrad Sangma on Friday called on Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan and submitted to him the letter of support of 32 MLAs while staking claim to form the government in the northeastern state. Sangma, the outgoing chief minister, said he has the support of BJP, HSPDP and 2 independent MLAs, while asserting the total tally may go up in the coming days as he is in touch with other political parties as well. He said the oath-taking ceremony will take place at 11 a.m. on March 7th and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given his consent to be present on the occasion.
Yes.
Yeah. Enough. Don't go.
The MLAs have finally reached Shillong and we finally got all the signatures of 32 MLAs. 26 of the NPP, 2 from the BJP, 2 from the HSPDP and 2 independents, 1 from Pakmara and 1 from Ramrai. They have all signed and given the letter of support which I have now formally submitted to the Honorable Governor. We have just got reports from Delhi that the Honorable Prime Minister would like to be present in the swearing-in ceremony. I have been unofficially informed that the swearing-in will be on the 7th at 11 a.m.